आधे बाउल दही में 4 चम्मच MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला डाला, स्टर करो, पुदीना चटनी तैयार। MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला।
From the Republic Media Network headquarters, it's time for Arnab Goswami on the debate. Arnab Goswami on the debate.
Ladies and gentlemen, in Parliament today there was a showdown between Amit Shah and Rahul Gandhi. And in the course of today's debate, I will run 4 clips of Amit Shah, of the points he made. And in the course of that debate, a few historical contradictions were pointed by the Home Minister of India. Yes, it was a debate on the SIR, but it was not only a debate on the SIR. It went into several other issues, such as, did Sonia Gandhi's name emerge in the voter roll when she was not a citizen of India? Why was her name in the voter roll allegedly in 1980 when she became a citizen of India in 1983? Now she faces a notice on that. These are very serious charges that Sonia Gandhi faces. The second point which came up was where Amit Shah said, imagine what hell will break loose if infiltrators are not acted upon. Do we want a situation where infiltrators enter assemblies and parliaments? And this is a valid question. If illegals have to decide the leadership of India, then the mandate is not a fully Indian mandate. We want an Indian mandate to decide India's leadership. I'm not sure about Mamata Banerjee. The third point is simply and essentially the hypocrisy of the opposition, which has won about 30 assembly elections since 2014. They've lost many, but they've won quite a few. Why doesn't the opposition resign? When they won the assembly elections, why did they say, no, we won't make Kamal Nath Chief Minister, we won't make Bhupesh Baghel Chief Minister, we won't make Tejasvi Yadav Deputy Chief Minister, we won't make Jagan Mohan Reddy Chief Minister, we won't make Siddaramaiah Chief Minister, we won't make Sukhvinder Singh Sukhu Chief Minister, we won't make Arvind Kejriwal Chief Minister. The point is, the opposition has won 30 elections since 2014. How come now suddenly they're having a meltdown over SIR? Is it because they've realized, at least the Congress party has realized, that its winning days are over? And the last point tonight, for the people who talk about vote chori, the biggest attempt to do democracy chori was when Indira Gandhi used corrupt means to try and win an election, and when there was a verdict against her saying she has carried out electoral corruption. Yes, Rahul Gandhi's own grandmother is accused and convicted of electoral fraud and corruption. To save herself, she tried to change the constitution. To save herself, she tried to change the constitution and imposed emergency and put all the leaders of the country in jail. What legacy does Rahul Gandhi have to open his mouth tonight, ladies and gentlemen? So some harsh truths came up in the course of the Parliament debate. And I will begin today by running the first clip of Amit Shah, when perhaps in an attempt at baiting the opposition, he spoke about the case against Sonia Gandhi, that her name was included in the voter rolls without holding Indian citizenship. And then I will introduce the panel and we'll have the debate. Clip 1.
तीसरी वोट चोरी का प्रकार मैंने बताया था कि योग्यता नहीं है और मतदाता बन जाना। अभी एक वाद पहुंचा है, वाद मतलब डिस्प्यूट पहुंचा है दिल्ली की सिविल अदालत में। उसमें डिस्प्यूट ये है कि सोनिया गांधी जी इस देश की नागरिक बनने से पहले मतदाता बने।
आगे सुनो, बोल क्या रहे, पूरी बात तो सुनो।
मान्यवर, मैंने इतना ही कहा है कि अदालत में केस चल रहा है जो फैक्चुअल है। अब जवाब तो उनको अदालत में देना है, सोनिया जी ने यहां क्यों दे रहे हैं? अदालत में जवाब देना है।
बीच के भाषण में पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर नहीं होता। नहीं है सर, दिलाइए सर।
मान्यवर, मैंने कुछ ऐसा नहीं कहा। मैंने सिर्फ इतना कहा है कि एक वाद दायर हुआ है दिल्ली की अदालत में। मैंने कोई कंक्लूजन नहीं कहा। मैंने कहा कंक्लूजन का, मैंने कोई कंक्लूजन नहीं कहा। कंक्लूजन तो जब उनका नोटिस का जवाब वो दे देगी तब अदालत देगी, तब फिर से बताऊंगा मैं। मगर अभी तो मैंने सिर्फ इतना कहा है कि वहां एक केस रजिस्टर्ड हुआ है जिसमें श्रीमती गांधी को नोटिस इश्यू किया है। इसमें इतने लाल पीले होने की जरूरत क्या है?
So this is a huge controversy, number one, and we need to address the reality. Sonia Gandhi has her name appearing mysteriously, allegedly, in the voter list in 1980. But at that time, she is an Italian citizen. She is not an Indian citizen. She gets married much before, I think, in the 60s. In the 1960s, Sonia Gandhi gets married to Rajiv Gandhi, but she does not take Indian citizenship. She continues for more than 10 years, 12 years, 13, 14 years, I don't know, 15 years. She continues to be an Italian citizen. Pankaj, Italian citizen, which means she's not decided. She is the daughter-in-law of the Prime Minister of India, but she's an Italian citizen. And she does not become an Indian citizen. But Amit Shah says there is a case that her name appears in the 1980 voter list. How can an Italian person's name come in the voter list? Pankaj Sharma, Shazia, Subrashta, hot debates tonight, Faizan and Anmol. Pankaj, do you have something to say?
Priyanka Gandhi has already clarified.
Sonia Gandhi, you
that
mean?
Sonia Gandhi's name was not there in the voters list of 1980. If it was there, please show the documents. Tell Amit Shah to present the documents before the nation. So court will decide if there is a case in Rouse Avenue.
Now tell me if it is proven, if it gets proven, just 1 minute. If it is proven her name was in the voter list, but she was an Italian citizen, then what should be the punishment?
Whatever punishment is there according to law should be given.
Was she an Indian citizen in 1980?
She was not. If she was
Why
not,
was she not an
then
Indian citizen in 1980?
Is it compulsory to become Indian citizen when you get married to a person?
So I would like to come in.
Yes, Shazia.
She was not an Indian citizen in 1980. She became an Indian citizen in 1983.
Oh.
But her name found itself in the electoral list and she actually voted. And the way she voted also was in public view with a lot of fanfare.
She
It didn't
voted
seem
when?
like
She voted when?
So there are pictures. There are pictures of that.
When?
And
Yes.
so
When and where?
Gandhi's name was included in electoral.
When did she vote?
Deleted in 82 and then included again in 83.
No, 1
So
minute.
this is, and there is a case pending.
How
on
can an
the same
Italian
matter,
citizen,
but there
sorry
has been-
Shazia, but 1 minute. Are you saying that an Italian citizen voted in an Indian election?
Yes, she did because she was daughter-in-law of.
No, but
Indira
she's
Gandhi.
Italian.
And wife of
She was Italian.
Italian citizen. She was an Italian citizen, but she voted in the Indian elections in 1980. And she was not a citizen, but she was a voter first and citizen later. It's a fact. And it has been said before, and nobody from the Congress party has ever contested that because it is in public domain.
Priyanka Gandhi has clarified yesterday that her name was not there in the voters list of 1980 and she did not vote. How can you say that nobody from the Congress party contested this?
So she did not vote, but Shazia says she went to vote. So did she go to accompany someone or did she vote herself?
No, but who? No, but also I would like to know how was her name in the electoral list and why did she vote?
How was the name of an
Because
Italian in
if
the
she was
electoral?
not a citizen, how did her name appear in electoral? I mean, you all have a problem with SIR being conducted now. How are you okay with that? How is it possible that Sonia Gandhi found herself as a voter even before she embraced the Indian citizenship? So, and she was married beforehand. So I don't find that shocking because her name is on the electoral list. I can give you details of that as well.
Give those details.
Pankajji, it's one of the many things that have happened. It's very rich when Congress attacks and goes on and on about a SIR. But you just see how many times there has been such a travesty of, the constitutional mandate of how elections have to be done. And how SIRs have been done, how Election Commission conducts itself.
So as per
right from Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who got 28 votes.
No, 1 minute. As per the Citizenship Act, so the fact is this, that Sonia Gandhi gets married to Rajiv Gandhi. I don't want to get into anyone's personal space, but I'll have to put these facts in the public domain. Subrashta, Faizan, please come in. This is not a personal matter, it's a political matter. Sonia Gandhi gets married to Rajiv Gandhi in 1968. As the wife of an Indian citizen called Rajiv Gandhi, she was eligible to be a citizen of India in 1973. But she chooses to wait another 10 years, which means, Faizan, for 15 years, 2 months, 6 days, that is 5,544 days, Sonia Gandhi takes a principled decision to continue to be an Italian citizen while living in the Prime Minister's house. She lives in the house of the Prime Minister, but she's an Italian citizen. Nothing illegal, but nothing technically wrong, but it's a choice she's making. She wants to remain an Indian citizen, Italian citizen. Now the opposition says, Faizan, but her name was on the voter list. If that happened, can it be explained as a technical malfunction or nepotism to the highest and unbelievable illegal degree?
Good evening to you, Mr. Goswami.
Good evening.
And to all the fellow panelists. See, this issue about Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, first of all, I'm not a Congress spokesperson.
No.
So and the case is still pending, as the Honorable Home Minister also said. Apart from this, like Mr. Goswami, I would draw your attention to these individuals. This one his name is Prashant Kumar. He's a BJP UK Uttarakhand media coordinator. He voted in Bihar and Delhi also. Santosh Ojha.
Is
from
he an
BJP.
Indian citizen?
They have 2 epic numbers. They have 2 voter cards. This is also not permissible. This is also a crime if they are voting in 2 different states. This is an equally bad crime, and for this, people should also be. These people should be reprimanded, and the law should take its course. They should be punished, madam. Just a second, Subrashta. Just let me make my point, and you can take over. And apart from this, Mr. Goswami, there's Mr. Rakesh Sinha also from Bharatiya Janata Party who did the same thing. See, we should see the larger picture here, Mr. Goswami, the kind of discussion that happened in the parliament today. Instead of focusing on the relevant issues, because we were talking about what problems the SIR process has caused, but Mr. Amit Shah, instead of answering them, he looked visibly very rattled and uncomfortable. Because this unholy nexus of Election Commission and Bharatiya Janata Party has been exposed. They are functioning with a malified intention, a sinister plan to destroy India, divide on communal lines, and win electorally. Akhilesh ji very rightly says that this Bharatiya Janata Party is not a Rashtrwadi party, it's a Rashtrvivadi and a Dararwadi party. BJP would want to disenfranchise the PDA community of their voting rights, steal their reservation, throw them in detention centers, but Samajwadi Party won't let this happen.
May I respond? May I respond to your allegations, which are more rhetorical and less factual? Because please tell me if I'm wrong. I stand to be corrected. Has Rahul Gandhi produced any documentary evidence to the Election Commission of India or any relevant body akin to the kind of drama he does in front of Indian television. Because today, when Rahul Gandhi demands transparency on the SIR process, proclaiming Mera Vachan Hi Shasan kind of a rhetoric, when it comes to allegation that Sonia Gandhi appeared on the 1980 voter list, why are the mother-son duo completely silent? Do they have a problem with the Prime Minister of the country not coming and addressing his concerns? Because again, Mera Vachan Hi Shasan hai. Why are they maintaining complete silence over it? The irony writes itself. The voter of this country has summarily rejected the Congress party. I have no grouse against regional parties. In fact, I want a strong Samajwadi party in UP. I want a very good NCP in Maharashtra. I want an extremely strong regional party, AIA, DMK or DMK in Tamil Nadu. But I have a huge problem when Rahul Gandhi comes out, wants transparency as a principle, but he completely leaves it out and never looks inward. I mean, this is a huge allegation. If I were Sonia Gandhi, I would have taken to the mic, spoken to the press, proved that my name was not there on the voter list, 1980s voter list. It is one issue which can, this
can become a big issue. Yeah, I agree.
Arnab Goswami
comes going on and the honorable court will decide accordingly.
That because of
Faizan, please hear Subrashta, please.
Created a whole movement called the Assam movement. This is no joke.
But
that an Italian citizen way back in 1980 comes and votes. And the parliament of this country should not debate it because
there's another,
it's 2025. What a shame it is. That lady has not resigned from politics. She's still pretty much there in the Congress party.
Okay.
You may like the Congress party in its current avatar. I don't want to see Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi ruling the roost.
Right.
I have no issues with even a corrupt Chidambaram for that matter. But I have a problem with these three individuals in the party. I have a problem with the Gandhi family. They need to come out clean on all these records.
See, Faizan, I'm coming to you. Faizan, I'm only coming to you. Faizan, I'm coming to you. Just give me a minute. Faizan, you see the seriousness of the issue today. I want to explain to my Gen Z viewers. If there are Gen Z viewers who are born, you say, after say 1999, assume they'd be about 26-year-old today, 25-year-old today. Now, I want to tell them that in 1999, a senior advocate, P.N. Lekhi, had moved a PIL in the Delhi High Court claiming that Sonia Gandhi did not satisfy the definition of an Indian citizen and outlined in Article 5 of the Indian Constitution. Now, if Sonia Gandhi's name was in the voter list in 1980 as a resident of 1 Safdarjung Road in Delhi, as voter number 388 on polling station 145 of the New Delhi constituency, means she broke the rules of Indian citizenship. Would that disqualify her today? There can be no more grievous offense than this. Anmol, you're a lawyer. You should understand the implications of this. It's going to be bigger than National Herald. It cannot be outrage is not a response.
Even
Anmol?
Arnabji, even in National Herald, which the BJP claims was the biggest scam during Congress era, none of the members from Gandhi family has been arrested. But at the beginning of the debate, you said that what will happen if infiltrators are not acted upon. What can I complete? I didn't interrupt. Arnabji, at the beginning of the debate, you said what will happen if infiltrators are not acted upon? Mandate is not Indian mandate. Then this government must resign. Secondly, today in the Parliament House itself, Amit Shah ji gave a proof. He said he gave the proof of vote chori. He said अगर आप गलत तरीके से चुनाव जीते हो तो ये चुनाव चोरी वोट चोरी माना जाएगा. I'm quoting him. In Punjab,
you are misquoting him.
Party was got red-handed.
You are misquoting him.
Camera, they were stealing votes.
Again,
no,
I want to come in.
Secondly, I'm not misquoting him. I'm challenging you.
Versus.
Quoting him exactly.
That was not EVMs.
Secondly,
no, that was a paper ballot. Again,
Amit Shah ji said,
that was
कोई भी
paper ballot.
लोकतंत्र सुरक्षित रह
Let me
सकता
stop
है
you.
अगर घुसपैठिया इन्हें चुनेंगे. My point is that the Home Ministry is under his control.
You're recommending now.
How did infiltrators reach here?
Machine.
Why
so do not lie, my dear. I caught you.
You lied
You lied just now, and I just caught you.
The Home Ministry is under their control. Border
The
security.
Chandigarh case that you keep talking about was a paper ballot. Do you deny
He
that?
has failed.
Do you deny that?
That he has
And
failed.
you all
वो
want
नहीं
paper
रोक पाए
ballot.
घुसपैठियों को अंदर
It
आने
was
से।
not EVM. It
How
was not an
many
EVM.
infiltrators
So
have
do
been
not
removed
lie.
from Delhi?
Do
Tell
not,
me.
don't
How
lie and
many
mislead the
infiltrators
viewers.
have been
I will not
removed from
allow you.
One minute. May I for a moment come in between both of you on this part of the debate?
What were you doing since last
Then the
20
EVMs were
Anmol,
working.
Anmol.
Then the electoral rolls were good.
Okay, you have a fight.
What were you doing since last 10 years? And under
Yeah, no,
and in
no,
the name
no,
of
no.
SIR,
You
you
tell
are doing
me.
daylight
You tell me.
robbery. You are doing electoral
Oh, really?
manipulation.
Really? Because you're depending on the
You're fooling the
infiltrators
people
to
of
vote
this
for you,
country.
right? Because your votes
You're
are being
working in
taken
collusion
away
with the
because
election
who votes
commission
for you? The
and you are
infiltrators vote for
stealing
You
you.
want
And that is
Anmol,
bothering you.
Anmol,
And
Anmol,
you can't
Anmol,
tell
may I
them.
ask you?
You are
Anmol,
counting on them to give you victory. And
Anmol,
now you know
Anmol,
that
in the
you never
context of the
win
debate that
because
happened
the
in Parliament, I would like to take it forward
And deported.
with a question from my side. Anmol, Anmol, with a question from my side, please. Anmol,
They are working as
Anmol and Shazia, I want to ask a question here.
of the ruling party.
And my question to all our viewers, especially the young viewers of Republic, is this.
Arnabji, tell me.
Are you
how
asking
did
me or
these
saying
infiltrators
something to
reach
me?
the different parts of our country?
Can I answer you?
No, I'm asking you.
What are you
How
asking?
did these infiltrators reach the parts of our country?
You are asking me, I heard you, now can I reply to you?
He has all the powers.
Can I reply to you?
And the Home Minister has
Can
all
I
the
reply to
powers.
you? Can I reply
And
to
the
you?
Election Commission has all
Can
the
I
powers.
reply to you? Then
What
listen
were
to
they
me.
doing since last 12 years.
Don't keep
How
repeating
many
yourself,
infiltrators
yeah? I
have
mean,
been
I have above average intelligence. I don't have Rahul Gandhi level intelligence, thankfully. Now the question is this. You asked, how did these people reach different parts of the country? As I rightly tell you, I have lived experience of this, and I just want you to remain quiet. I asked myself when I was a child, and I used to go to our village in Assam, right? We have a very prominent, what would you call, a center of Hindu learning and preaching in Assam, of which my family has been associated. It's in Assam, we call it Hotro, right? And it's called our village is the center place, it's called Polla Hotro. There are many Hotros in Assam. And today I want to tell you that when I go to Borpeta in Assam, to Polla Hotro, near Hottebari, which was a center of Hindu learning, Hindu tradition, Hindu Vaishnavite tradition, pure Hindu Vaishnavite tradition. Today, when I go there, there are scarcely any Hindus. That area is 80% Muslim. And not Assamese Muslims, all Bangladeshi Muslims. You said who is responsible? Now I come to that. 3 political parties, sir, are responsible. Everyone on 3 political parties are responsible for this.
Border security.
3 political parties are responsible. Number 1, the Congress Party, Congress Party, Left Party, and Trinamool Congress are responsible. Now you are also responsible if you are in denial.
The Honorable Supreme Court.
You want the future leaders of the country to be elected by infiltrators? You want infiltrators to vote? You want a prime minister chosen by infiltrators?
Stop them.
You want prime minister chosen by infiltrators?
उड़ के आ गए वो लोग.
Here is what Amit Shah said on the issue today in Parliament. Play the second clip. Play the second clip. Play the second clip.
एक गहन पुनर्निरीक्षण है कि जिनकी मृत्यु हो गई उनके नाम कट जाए, जो 18 साल से बड़े हो गए उनके नाम जोड़ जाए, जो किसी भी प्रकार से 2 जगह मतदाता है उनके नाम कट जाए, और जो विदेशी नागरिक है उनको चुन चुन कर डिलीट किया जाए। ये गहन पुनर्निरीक्षण। और मैं आज इस मंच से आपके माध्यम से इस सदन को और देश की जनता को कहना चाहता हूं, क्या कोई भी देश का लोकतंत्र सुरक्षित रह सकता है जब देश का प्रधानमंत्री और राज्य का मुख्यमंत्री कौन हो वो घुसपैठिए तय करेंगे? मान्यवर नहीं रह सकते। ये एसआईआर और कुछ नहीं है, मतदाता सूची का शुद्धिकरण है। मैं मानता हूं इससे कुछ दलों के राजनीतिक स्वार्थ आहत होते हैं। मुझे उन दलों के प्रति एक प्रकार से अनुकंपा भी है, क्योंकि देश के मतदाता तो वोट देते नहीं हैं, ये थोड़े विदेशी दे देते थे, वो भी चले जाएंगे। मगर मान्यवर क्या हमने भारत के नाते निर्णय करना पड़ेगा कि इस देश की संसद को चुनने के लिए, राज्य की विधानसभा को चुनने के लिए विदेशी को वोट देने का अधिकार देना है या नहीं देना है? और मेरा मत है, मेरा विनम्र मत है मान्यवर, कि ये नहीं देना चाहिए।
Now, I want to clarify, this question I'm going to ask has nothing to do with the ongoing controversy over Sonia Gandhi's citizenship
They had
in
12 years.
1980.
What were they doing since last 12 years?
You want the parliament to be voted in by infiltrators.
West Bengal, that these infiltrators will be shown the door within a month.
So why are you protecting them?
12 साल से
Why
क्या
are
कर
you
रहे थे?
protecting them?
इन लोगों ने बसाया है infiltrators।
आपने प्रोटेक्ट क्यों करना है? अभी निकाल रहे हैं तो बसाया किसने भी हो, इन्होंने बसाया नहीं है।
Infiltrators have been removed
ये
from
बांग्लादेशी मुस्लिम
Tell me how many
इन्फिल्ट्रेटर्स बीजेपी के लिए वोट नहीं करते। ये जो मुस्लिम इन्फिल्ट्रेटर्स है बीजेपी की वोट बैंक नहीं है।
बाहर क्यों नहीं निकालते
ये मुस्लिम इन्फिल्ट्रेटर्स किसकी वोट बैंक है? आपका कहना है that the Muslim infiltrators फैजान वोट फॉर बीजेपी।
मेरा कहना है that the BJP government has failed. They promised the people of this country that these infiltrators
Decide after 1 year whether they failed. No, let them be caught by their neck and thrown out.
Okay, Mr. Goswami, now, first of all, Shazia ji,
Yes,
Shazia ji, you
yes.
people are in power since 2014. If they are illegal infiltrators,
Same
if they are
point,
coming
right?
in, Madam, let me complete. Let
Same
me
point.
complete, and you please rebut. Okay, so if there are illegal infiltrators who are coming, then it's your failure. It's failure of your government and your security agencies. First of all. Second, your Nishikant Dubey, who's known to be making factually incorrect points. During Jharkhand election, this man says that the demographic change in Jharkhand is happening due to illegal Bangladeshi infiltrators. There was a parliamentary report which was tabled, which exposed Nishikant Dubey. It said that no Bangladeshi infiltrators have come. The demographic change is happening because people are moving out of the state in search of jobs. So this man is constantly making irresponsible commentary. There's a report which I have. In Assam, NRC, you identified 19 lakh people, deported only 200. In Bihar and Jharkhand, the figure is 0. So what exactly, you know what you're doing? By this NRC, you just want to disenfranchise the PDA community. You are targeting OBCs, Dalits and minorities because you want to win electorally. Shazia, you know what has happened? Shazia, do you know? Instead of answering pertinent questions, the Home Minister should have apologized. The Home Minister, madam, suniye. आप बताता हूँ, ये देखिए, ये देख रही हैं क्या है?
क्या दिखा रहे हैं?
ये देख रही हैं?
क्या दिखा रहे हैं?
शाजिया देखिए,
क्या है?
शाजिया, ये एक जमाने में ये एक जमाने में रीढ़ की हड्डी थी इलेक्शन कमीशन की, जो उन्होंने निकाल के बीजेपी को दे दी, and BJP is using it as a shoelace. This is what election commission has come down to. Even competent authorities, madam,
it's the same रीढ़ की हड्डी, the same spine that TN Session had, who got a ticket to fight against BJP. What the spine that MS Gill had. The spine that MS Gill had, who just after retirement was made a minister and an MP. Yes, a lot of spine these election commissioners had. Listen, whether it's A.N. Ray or it's H.M. Beg, do not let me show you the mirror.
IMF ka note has exposed the propaganda you people were
You've done. Let me answer.
About GDP.
No, don't stop venting because nobody's voting for you. Because you were counting on infiltrators and now they're out.
Nobody's voting for us. You people were routed out in Uttar Pradesh.
For you and
people
now
have seen through
Bangladesh
your propaganda, madam.
So
the
I
most
feel your
popular
pain.
leader, Narendra
I hear
Modi
you.
Sahab,
I feel your pain. So first you have normalized,
just for 1 minute, no longer and popular.
You have normalized infiltrators. You have formalized it
going on with Mr. Modi. Mr. Modi and Amit Shah, they're highly ambitious people. For the ambition, for the greed, the lust for
Ma'am, I want to step in for a moment, Faizan, I want to step in for a moment. I think for a moment we can pause and think of the consequences of the ongoing discussion. Suppose the group of infiltrators becomes a big group, and I'm speaking to the audiences, please don't interrupt. Suppose, I've seen it happening in Assam. Nobody thought that Bangladeshi infiltrators would have a say in who becomes Chief Minister of Assam, but that is what the Congress party wanted. They wanted Muslim Bangladeshi infiltrators to decide the Chief Minister of Assam. Now, what happens when a group of people who have broken the rules to enter India, who owe no allegiance to India, no verification, no loyalty to the country, no respect for the flag, no respect for the anthem, no accountability, who have bribed their way to enter India like parasites, then become a group which says now we want to decide the leadership of India. 1 minute.
Throw them out.
We want, no, 1 minute. When we throw them out, then Mamata Banerjee says we must protect the Rohingyas. They are also human beings. She said, I support the UN appeal to help the Rohingya people. Rohingyans are very important. Her party leader says, these people coming in from Bangladesh, please ensure that if they support our party, their name comes in the list. Another leader in Chabbish Pargana says, all our friends and brothers and sisters from Bangladesh who have any problem, come and approach the Trinamool Congress. We will include you into the voters list. Now you'll all look down. What happens, ladies and gentlemen, when people who hate India enter India and then become a decisive vote bank?
Arnabji, who is responsible for the internal security of this country? Who is responsible?
So those who are responsible, let them do their job. No, you are not.
Who said that we'll give them
Subrashta?
Hardeep Puri ji. Minister
What did Hardeep Puri say?
Who is the one? Our Home Minister admitted in an interview that he has failed to protect the borders, that infiltrators are coming in our country. Despite 12 years, they have done
Subrashta.
Despite Supreme Court directions, they have done nothing.
Anmol. Anmol, since you know a bit too much about infiltration and also about the fact that infiltration can be removed in one year, please tell me, let's focus on one area. Let me not nationalize it for you. Let us focus on one area. How do you actually stop infiltration from Punjab, the state where you rule? Infiltration from Punjab, how do you put a stop to it? Let me not give you names of villages from where infiltration is happening. You know that, I know it. I'm asking a very simple question. How do you stop that? It is not even as challenging for geography as Assam, where the river changes course and suddenly you have a whole village on this side of the border and on the other side of the border.
Failure of the promises made by the Prime Minister in 2014 rally.
You do not have a Prime Minister from Aam Aadmi Party today.
Contempt of the order of the Honorable Supreme Court.
Tell me how many
to throw these infiltrators out.
Why are you getting hyperventilated?
Tell me how many infiltrators have they removed from the country?
I'm asking a very simple question to you. The kind of infiltration that happens from across border in Punjab, how many times has your Chief Minister written to the Honorable Home Minister? What kind of suggestions has he made? It's a very simple question I'm asking you. Policy level question. Something that intellectuals from Aam Aadmi Party really want to discuss on. Please tell me.
Despite being
give me
in
the
government
number of letters you've written,
last 12 years,
the exact content of the letters and the exact suggestions that you have made. I promise to you on national television, I am with you. But tell me the number of letters that have been written. बड़ा आराम से अपनी आराम कुर्सी पे बैठ करके कह देना बहुत
Prime
आसान
Minister
होता है.
Narendra Modi also made a similar promise in 2014 in a rally in West Bengal.
बांग्लादेश तक बाद में पहुंचेगा. आप अपने एरिया की बात कीजिए पहले. अपने इलाके को कैसे सिक्योर किया है आपने?
वो जुमला निकला.
खालिस्तान के नाम पर एक बकार नहीं निकलता आप लोगों के मुंह से.
राज्यों की बात करें, पूरे देश की बात करें.
आप लोग शर्म आनी चाहिए आप
मेरा है उतना ही और राज्य भी मेरा है.
that this country is seeing today, especially
आप लोगों को आनी चाहिए. You are defending the indefensible. You are defending the indefensible.
If Rahul Gandhi and all these people, the Changu Mangus of Rahul Gandhi who are sitting here on your panel tonight, Arnab, if they actually believe that SIR is flawed, people should have been with them on the street. Not one street in India would be bereft of people. Nobody stands with them except some television cameras, some television crews, and some Twitter. Beyond them, these guys
राज्यों में सरकार इनकी, केंद्र में सरकार इनकी, उसके बावजूद ये काम नहीं करेंगे.
They do not even have the guts
and then they loot the democracy in the name of SIR.
Present cases in front of institutions from whom they demand accountability. What kind of nonsense are you talking about? Rahul Gandhi is not even in. By the way, that guy is not even in India.
असली चेहरा देख रहे हैं. लोग आपका असली चेहरा देख रहे हैं. That
There
you
will be
are
a good
murdering
wine
the
festival
democracy
happening.
in broad
There will be a
daylight.
good wine festival happening.
I think if you want to have a debate on SIR, we must rename it as a debate on. We must rename it a debate on infiltrators. I think SIR is not the right word. The right word is it's a debate on infiltration. And the
I'm
Congress.
ready for a one-on-one debate. Arnab ji, बुला लेना.
Then you have to listen to others and put that down and stop googling to help yourself during my debate. The third soundbite of the Home Minister, where he hit the nail on the head, where he hit the nail on the head, where the Home Minister spoke about, where the Home Minister said that when the opposition wins an election, it is great. Then they say Election Commission is great. When they lose, they say Election Commission is biased and partial to the BJP. Please hear the soundbite and then I'm coming to it. Don't say no now. Faizan, pehle sun lijiye. कि what did Amit Shah says, then I'll debate with you. Yes, play it.
मान्यवर, मैं थोड़ी स्पष्टता के लिए आंकड़ा देना चाहता हूं। मई 14 में श्रीमान नरेंद्र मोदी इस देश के प्रधानमंत्री बने, तब से उनको आपत्ति है। तो एनडीए क्या-क्या जीती? 3 लोकसभा चुनाव हम जीते, 41 राज्यों के विधानसभा चुनाव जीते, तो हम 44 विधानसभा टोटल चुनाव जीते हैं 2024 से 25 तक। मगर वो भी 30 चुनाव जीते हैं अलग अलग विधानसभा में, 30 जगह पे। अगर मतदाता सूची करेक्ट है तो क्यों शपथ लिया, क्यों चुनाव लड़ा? आप बताइए देश की जनता को। श्री राहुल गांधी जहां से चुनकर आए थे, वो वायनाड की मतदाता सूची में भी मेरी पार्टी ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर इसी प्रकार की डिस्क्रिपेंसी को बताया है। इसका जवाब नहीं देते। हमने अमेठी का भी बताया है, इसका जवाब नहीं देते हैं। मान्यवर, ये चुनाव की मतदाता सूची में जो थोड़ी बहुत गलतियां हैं, उसको वो लोग मुद्दा बनाते हैं चुनाव हारने का। चुनाव हारने का कारण है नहीं, मैं अंत में बताऊंगा क्यों हारते हो चुनाव। परंतु ऐसा नहीं है कि हम 2014 के बाद एक भी चुनाव नहीं हारे। छत्तीसगढ़ में 18 में हारे, राजस्थान में 18 में हारे, मध्य प्रदेश में 18 में हारे, कर्नाटक में भी 14 के बाद हारे, तेलंगाना में हम जीत नहीं पाए, चेन्नई में हम जीत नहीं पाए, बंगाल में भी हम हारे। भाई तो तब तो ये मतदाता सूची बहुत अच्छी होती है, तब से नए कपड़े पहनकर आप शपथ ले लेते हो। उस वक्त मतदाता सूची का विरोध नहीं करते हो, और जब मुंह की पटखनी पड़ती है बिहार की तरह, तब मतदाता सूची का विरोध करते हो। माननीय मेरे दोहरे मापदंड नहीं चलेंगे लोकतंत्र में। जब आप जीतते हो तब चुनाव आयोग महान है, जब आप हारते हो तो चुनाव आयोग निकम्मा है, बीजेपी का कहने पर चलता है। जब आप जीतते हो मतदाता सूची अच्छी है, मतदाता सूची अच्छी है, और जब आप हारते हो तो मतदाता सूची खराब है।
So 2020 AAP praises election commission when it wins the election in Delhi. 2025
Exactly.
AAP says that election commission is pro-BJP when it loses the election. But BJP didn't say election commission is pro-AAP when AAP won the election.
Mr. Goswami, now.
What don't you relax? No. I want one example of an election where you said, Pankaj, after winning that election commission is bad.
Can I answer, Arnab ji?
I'm telling you, not despite all their tricks, the wave on ground against BJP has been so strong that opposition in 11 years won elections.
No, but did you reject the election saying we should have won even bigger? Did you say we should have won even bigger? We refuse to accept the result. But you gratefully accept the result when you win. You're exposed. Pankaj, you're badly exposed today. Faizan is Google searching now, looking left and right. Yes, Google. Have you got finished your Google search?
No.
Have you finished? No, you haven't finished?
For you. I have something for you, Mr. Goswami.
For me, why for me? You can debate with Subrashtra and Shazia.
Yeah, for Subrashtra and for Shazia. So we are talking about infiltrators, Shazia.
We are talking about why you are happy when you win and sad when you lose.
I'll tell you which party is very happy. This is a tweet of Mr. Hardeep Singh Puri from 2022. सुबह 7:30 बजे उठ के किया था. India has always welcomed those who have sought refuge in India.
Okay, I have a question for you.
Rohingya refugees will be shifted to EWS flats in Bakarwala area in Delhi. This is what Hardeep Singh Puri tweeted. So आप लोगों बसा रहे थे रोहिंग्या को.
In Himachal Pradesh,
रोहिंग्या को हिंदुस्तान में बसा रहे. इसका जवाब दीजिए. Why were you not throwing out Rohingyas? Why were you giving them EWS flats in Delhi? क्यों दे रहे थे? Because you want infiltrators to come inside India. उनका नाम लेकर के आप legitimate voters को disenfranchise करना चाह रहे हैं.
Have you heard of Shakil Ahmed?
People should be
What did
ashamed of
Shakil Ahmed say?
themselves.
Shakil Ahmed is one of the most senior leaders of Congress party. You know what he said as he resigned from Congress party? That Rahul Gandhi claimed 65 lakh voters. Names have been struck, but not even 65 voters showed up and challenged and said that the names were struck down. So the lies have gone on for too long, my dear friend. And another mistake you made. You said NRC. NRC is Supreme Court mandated.
फैजान,
आप लोग जो रोहिंग्यास की मदद कर रहे थे, आप लोग जो रोहिंग्यास की मदद कर रहे थे, first of all, apologize to the nation because you gave Rohingyas refuge in India. Why did you do that?
Shazia,
for the longest period, it is Supreme Court monitored and mandated. So do not confuse viewers. Okay, one thing. And I don't know what you're showing. I can barely read it, but doesn't matter because there was a detailed discussion in Supreme Court. And all the petitioners were there. And all of those petitioners, including Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav, had egg on their face because they did not have the facts.
No, Mr. Goswami.
Today, Rahul Gandhi did not know where to look when he mentioned the Brazilians and when he mentioned their house number in Haryana. Because all the records are there, and it is an ancestral joint property and people have voted there physically and actually. So, you know, you'll have to come up with something honest and authentic.
No, I ask you tonight, Faizan, my question tonight is this. 1 minute. My question is very, very fundamental, very basic. If you, 1 minute. See, please listen to me. It's a very simple point. Now, when Ashok Gehlot became Rajasthan Chief Minister, Kamal Nath became Chief Minister, Bhupesh Baghel, Uddhav Thackeray, Pinarayi Vijayan, M.K. Stalin, Omar Abdullah, Hemant Soren, Siddaramaiah, Sukhbir Sidhu, Revant Reddy, Arvind Kejriwal, Bhagwant Mann, Mamta Banerjee, Jagan Mohan Reddy and KCR. Then you said Elections Commission is superb. Doing a good job. We are grateful to the Election Commission. No. You said Election Commission is fantastic. You said it's fantastic. Subrashta, they said Election Commission is doing a great job. We are so happy and grateful to the Election Commission for making Arvind Kejriwal the Chief Minister of Delhi.
I did proof to the Election Commission. We gave the complaint on affidavit. What action did the Election Commission take? Nothing. In Punjab, they were caught red-handed. What action did the Election Commission take? Nothing.
Anmol, I asked a basic question. Please, without getting hyperventilated, answer me. The vote Chori allegation that Rahul Gandhi is making on PPT presentations, etc., in front of some corporate barons who sort of get funds for the Congress party. Has that presentation been submitted to the Election Commission of India? The kind of documentary, quasi-documentary evidence that is being over here on this prime time show, that those kind of evidences, have they been submitted to the Election Commission of India? Why has the united opposition,
why don't you ask them?
Gathbandhan, not presented these facts to the Election Commission of India via a written affidavit? It's a simple question.
I
don't want to debate states with you. I don't want to debate states with you. The conversation is about SIR. Let us stick to the topic and tell me, has Rahul Gandhi gone to any commission? Have you guys approached any court and submitted these evidences? Are people with you? Are people with you? Which
more than 40,000 votes were deleted.
Which voter bloc stands with you today on these kind of issues that you are raising?
And we gave the proof to the Election Commission. What
any
else do you
citizen of
require
this
from
country
us?
worth
और क्या करें
little bit
बताइए?
of rational thought is going to ask you these
आप
questions.
पूछिए ना,
Just
आप
appearing
इनसे सवाल पूछिए।
hyperventilated on
ये debate
television
छोड़ के भाग
doesn't cut
ये
much,
debate छोड़
you know,
के भाग जाएंगे
conversation.
इनसे सवाल पूछा गया तो।
But you know, the fact is you're fighting for a person, Rahul Gandhi, who's decided to boycott the rest of the
He is not
parliament
even
session.
there.
He
He
has
is
gone
enjoying
to
mulled
Germany.
wine and Christmas
He's
carnival
never in India.
Right
He was in Cambodia, Thailand, Brazil, or whatever.
Germany to be precise.
Kilimanjaro, and now he's
time,
gone to Germany.
Germany has some great mulled wine in Christmas carnivals. Rahul Gandhi has gone
So
there
he's
to enjoy that.
spending Christmas time in Germany. He doesn't care about Indian Parliament. Ladies and gentlemen, the most important point was where Amit Shah said that the real vote chori happened when the first Prime Minister of independent India was selected, not elected.
Yes,
He
yes.
said
No.
all
Yes,
the heads
Sardar
of the
Vallabhbhai
Congress
Patel
units came
got
together.
many more votes.
They were all
28
getting one
votes as
vote
opposed
each.
to-
28 votes went to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel,
Correct.
2 votes went to Nehru, but Nehru was made the Prime Minister. And here is a second comment he made on the vote chori of Indira Gandhi. Please hear this.
मान्यवर दूसरी
प्लीज बैठिए बैठिए माननीय सदस्य प्लीज हर बार नहीं उठते बैठिए
मान्यवर दूसरे प्रकार की वोट चोरी और नैतिक तरीके से चुनाव जीता। ऐसी वोट चोरी भी भूतकाल में एक बार हुई थी। श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी रायबरेली से चुनी गई। इलाहाबाद हाईकोर्ट में श्री राजनारायण पहुंचे कि चुनाव नियमों के अनुसार नहीं हुआ। इलाहाबाद हाईकोर्ट ने ये तय कर दिया कि श्रीमती गांधी ने उचित तरीके से चुनाव नहीं जीता है, हम इसको रद्द कर दें। मान्यवर, ये भी वोट चोरी थी, बहुत बड़ी वोट चोरी थी। और उसके बाद में क्या हुआ? उसके बाद में वो वोट चोरी को ढकने के लिए संसद में कानून लाया गया कि प्रधानमंत्री के खिलाफ कोई केस ही नहीं हो सकता। मैं विपक्ष के नेता को कहना चाहता हूं, इम्यूनिटी की बात आप चुनाव आयोग की पूछ रहे हैं, इसका तो मैं जवाब दूंगा, इम्यूनिटी का। मगर ये इम्यूनिटी जो श्रीमती गांधी ने दी थी, इसके लिए आपका क्या कहना है? और उन्होंने तो स्वयं के लिए ले ली। मान्यवर विपक्ष के नेता ने कहा कि आपने चुनाव आयुक्तों को इम्यूनिटी दी। इनका आरोप सत्य नहीं है, मैं इसकी बात बाद में करता हूं। परंतु हमने तो चलो मानो चुनाव आयुक्त को इम्यूनिटी दी, श्रीमती गांधी ने तो अपने आप को इम्यूनिटी दी। और फिर जब ये संवैधानिक सुधार के वायरस चैलेंज हुए तो वो केस जीतने के लिए 2, 3 और 4 नंबर के सर्वोच्च न्यायालय के जज को बाईपास कर चौथे नंबर के जज को चीफ जस्टिस बनाया और वहां केस भी जीत लिया। और मान्यवर, ये तो इतिहास है, कौन झुठला सकता है?
I wonder, Pankaj, if Indira Gandhi has inspired Asif Munir. Because Asif Munir also passed a similar law where he's above the constitution. 329A, Indira Gandhi is above the scope of the court. She gets legal immunity from all charges under the Representation of Corruption Act. The greatest, most dangerous dictator of the country, Indira Gandhi, who you continue to loyally serve, Pankaj. This is vote chori. Do you understand? Go ahead and create a campaign that the only vote chori in this country officially was done by Indira Gandhi. Pankaj, you have nothing to justify this. All your loyalty to the Congress party cannot. All your loyalty to Congress party, to the Gandhi family.
For everything, Nehru. For everything, Nehru is responsible. Indira Gandhi is responsible.
No.
Congress
Indira
is
Gandhi rewrote the constitution to help herself. Right or wrong?
What is going on in the country for the last 11 years?
Indira Gandhi superseded the Supreme Court judges.
Three of them were superseded because Indira Gandhi wanted her own CGI, and that's what she did. And this was
She
repeated
rewrote the
later.
Constitution.
What is the
He's quiet.
situation in
And she
judiciary
did the
these
same
days?
with the chief election commissioners.
What is the situation in judiciary these days, Shazia ji? You know it better.
What is the
I know
situation?
you cannot
What was the
accept it.
situation? What prompted Indira Gandhi to
You
choose
know
A.N.
it.
Ray
You know it.
and later H.M. Beg?
Please
What was
tell
the
the
situation?
nation
What
something
prompted
about
it?
the situation in the judiciary for
happened?
last 11 years.
And no, the fact of the matter is that whether it was Nehru who became the first prime minister, despite the fact that he got only 2 votes, and as opposed to Vallabhbhai Patel who got
Faizan,
28 votes from
Faizan,
different
what happened?
presidencies.
You are distorting
Faizan,
history.
you lost a bit of your
No,
it's
color
not.
in this part of
It's
the
a
debate.
fact.
Because I'm sure you understand.
No, sir. Let me please give me time. First of all, Shazia ji, you haven't responded to.
So why don't you
the
replace
tweet of
Akhilesh?
Hardeep
Why doesn't
Singh Puri?
Akhilesh become leader of the opposition? At least he will be in India. Rahul Gandhi is never in India.
Please, Mr. Goswami, please.
Nobody listens.
So first of all, you should apologize for what Mr.
And
Hardeep
you
Singh
don't
Puri
even
did,
give a break to
giving
everyone
EWS houses to Rohingyas. It was you who brought in Rohingyas to India and you were giving them free accommodation. तो infiltrators को तो आप लेकर के आ रहे हैं, पहली बात माफी मांगिए.
Now, Faizan, who will believe you?
As far as
Faizan,
Shazia ji, as far as
will anybody
EVMs are
believe you?
concerned, Akhilesh ji has time and
Even
again
nobody
said,
believe you,
सारी की
Faizan,
सारी
even you
सीटें
can't
जीत
believe
जाऊंगा. Shazia
That
ji, I can
BJP
see
will
you are
support
rattled.
Rohingyas.
Shazia ji, I can
I
see
mean, will you-
you're
will anybody
visibly
believe
very
it?
disturbed.
Make some
I'm
sense.
sure you're very
Make some
embarrassed, but
sense.
just
No,
because
do
you're a
not
party
be- no, no, no,
spokesperson,
do-
you cannot
do not
criticize
be-
Hardeep
no, no,
Singh Puri
do
right
not-
now.
do
But
not
I'm sure once
sound
the
like
debate is
somebody
over,
who
आप भी
doesn't
सर पीट
believe
के
himself.
कहेंगी कैसी
Who will
पार्टी है
believe
भाई,
this? Tell me.
इन्फिल्ट्रेटर्स को लेकर
अरे,
के आते हैं.
आप
You
क्या
people
बोल
should be
रहे हैं?
ashamed of
आपको
yourself.
पता भी नहीं है,
ठीक है,
NRC और
37 सीट जीत गए हम यहाँ.
आपको वो
आपका
भी
वोट
पता
शेयर
है,
गिर
बस
गया
बोलते रहना है।
लोकसभा
अभी भी बोले
इलेक्शन
जा रहे
में.
हो।
But we still
इतना
say we
बोलोगे
want
भाई,
ballot.
speak when
Ballot
you have to
election
say
होगा.
something.
और जहाँ तक पंडित नेहरू की बात है, please go and read what Ken Munshi
बताइए नेहरू की
has to
बातें
say in the
बताइए
Wash transcript.
बताइए
आपको
और
पता चल
बताइए
जाएगा, मैडम.
और कहाँ चोरियां हुई
आपको
थी
पता चल
बिहार का
जाएगा.
याद है क्या होता था
आपको
बिहार
पता
में
चल- अरे
आपको
बिहार
याद है
आप लोग
कश्मीर
बिहार
में
चोरी
किसने
करके
चोरी
आए हैं.
कराई?
आप
कश्मीर और बिहार
चोरी
में
करके आए हैं.
किसने चोरियां
You
कराई?
people-
याद है
अरे
आपको
भैया
कुछ?
65
कुछ
लाख
याद आ रहा
वोटर्स
है?
कौन खा गया? कौन खा
याद आ
गया?
रहा है?
SIR में 30 से ज्यादा BLOs मर गए हैं. आप ये देखिए जरा, ये लिस्ट देखिए.
हाँ,
शायद
पर
इसमें
बिहार
दिखाई
में नहीं
देगा.
मरे। पर
ये
बिहार
लिस्ट
में नहीं
देखिए.
मरे।
ये
बंगाल में मरे।
अच्छा आपने
अब
बिहार
देखिए,
में नहीं
आपने
मारे.
topic बदल दिया।
आपको इस
Now
बात
you
का
change the
फख्र है
topic.
कि
Because I've
30
caught you
BLO
and exposed
आपने
you,
पूरे
you change the
हिंदुस्तान में
topic.
मार दिए
Keep
हैं.
running.
और आप जैसे
Keep
लोग
running,
बैठ
keep
के
running. भागो
शायद
भागो
you should be ashamed
टॉपिक से
of
भाग
yourself.
जाइए
आपको माफी
Run away
मांगनी
from the
चाहिए.
topic. I
30
understand.
जो मर
I
गए,
understand.
30 BLOs जो मर गए उसकी जिम्मेदारी कौन लेगा? The
I
pathetic
have
election commissioner
outed you
and the election
and you
commission
exposed, you
have they
changed the
tendered an
topic.
apology?
And you're going
Has
on
there been
speaking.
Well, I
even a
agree
tweet?
that I
Have
would
been-
say one thing. I agree that the chief
To say
election
that they feel
commissioner,
sorry for the innocent people who lost
the
their-
chief
lost their
election
lives.
commissioner, I think I'll send a letter to him. He should appear to be open to facing a tough interview. I think I would
Yes,
like
you
him
should
to
call him.
face me. He does not, for some reason, he wants to do press conferences. He doesn't want to
Yeah,
face a
because
real
he's
interview.
finalist, Mr. Goswami.
Well,
He's finalist.
let him face me. We'll see. We'll do a tough interview with
You are
him.
in
अरे इतना
press-
courage नहीं है.
One minute
Never
now.
faced you.
One.
Take it from
He will
me,
never
he'll
face you.
never face you,
Let
Mr.
me
Goswami.
put in a request. No.
cannot.
How do you know he won't face me? You
No,
put.
he will not.
Okay, let me put in a
He will
request.
not. He'll ask you your questions in writing. and give a
That's not
reply.
how I do interviews. I'm sending in a request tomorrow morning. I thank you all, ladies and gentlemen. My point is, this debate in Parliament, however, ended up being more a lesson in political history than on the SIR. I think if there needs to be a debate, there needs to be a debate on why the Luthra brothers, whose passports are being revoked now, I've just got the breaking news, managed to get away. We are tracking that story in Phuket and everywhere. And I have breaking news because we believe here at Republic that there will be developments on Ukraine, and almost an announcement on that has come from Zelensky himself some time back. So, viewers, see you tomorrow evening, 8 p.m. Good night and goodbye.
Time for a quick breather.
ये है सीक्रेट रेसिपी MDH का जीरा सिप जलजीरा मसाला।
सिप सिप जीरा सिप MDH का जलजीरा जीरा सिप MDH का जलजीरा जीरा सिप।